3 ways to recover Snapchat photos, videos, and chats. Well, open up Snapchat. Head over to your profile. Once on your profile, scroll down here and head into settings. Once you're on the settings here, scroll down. And now under here, you want to find the My Data option. You'll be able to proceed to download your data. Request the download of your data. Select chats here, only export your memories and chat history, spotlight and such, and then next and export it, and that way you'll be able to recover your photos, videos and chats that you recently deleted. Now you can also check your device and cloud backups. The second way, if you saved your content to your phone or had auto backup features on, you want to check the locations of your phone's gallery of files and iCloud or Google Photos. Also, you can use data recovery software for deep recovery. For deeply deleted or unbacked up content, specialized software might help. Though success isn't guaranteed, you can install reputable data recovery software like EaseUS, Disk Drill, GByte on your computer and scan your device and restore. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.